Hello, Professor and everyone. My name is Emmanuel Mkwa, and today I'll be running a SWAT modeling on Njuga Catchment. So the Njuga Catchment, it's found in southern Tanzania in the Ruvuma region. Why did I choose this one? Because of its hydrological importance. It acts as a perennial water source during crucial dry seasons. Also, it supports domestic water use in livestock and small-scale irrigation schemes. And lastly, it also is a source of water for Songea Water Authority. And why does it matter in remote sensing studies? One of the causes is because it reflects on the land use changes. It serves as a case study for engaged catchments, and also it helps in assessing availability and its influence on stream flow dynamics. Most of the key challenges of this catchment, it's because of the soil erosion from farming slopes increasing and sediment loads, and also there's a lack of continuous flow monitoring. So that's why we have opted remote sensing and simulation methods, and also the pressure from population growth, raising water demand and population risk. This is the catchment. Now, the data that I'll be using, most of them are obtained from the websites. I'll be using the watershed as I've shown earlier, the digital elevation model, land use cover, soil, and weather data. In running the model, we first have to open QGIS, and then we open QSWAT, starting with a new project, and then you select the folder where you want to save your file. Now, this is the content, and here are all my data that I'll be working on, so I've saved in here. I'll give the project name Njuga Catchment. Then I'll start directly with the delineating watershed. So I'm starting with uploading the DM. This is DM. It'll have to show up here. Once it is done, you can just create streams. Once the streams are already created, the next process is to select the outlet. For me, I'll draw the outlet here. That's where the water is coming out. I'll say okay. If you snapped, yes, it's on snap now. Now the next procedure is to create watershed. Once the topology has been created, now we move on to creating HRUs, which we start by loading the land use data. So you go to land use. Yes, this is the soil land use. Then select the soil map. After that, you load up the lookup files for land and lookup file for soil, and user soil also. After that, you select the generate full HRUs shapefile. Once it has finished, you select the HRU and now you create them. Once it has completed, now you open the SWAT editor. Where you're already given the name. Now, briefly the name, this is Southern Tanzania. Then you start. Once it has given you this, we start with the SWAT inputs, the weather generator. You import weather data. Now you check in if you're using the observed data. Once it's done, you're coming to weather stations, and also you import them. Select the folder where you want to save it. Mine is final weather. Select. Just put it in a desktop. Content, final weather. Put data. So no data variable, sorry. Again, select. Yes, now import them. Yes, it is done. And then now you run SWAT. You start by choosing the simulation period. For this trial period, I just want to use like 25 years. So I'll start in 1999. And the end year, let me take 2024 December. Now these are other options, you don't need to do those. After that, you select run debug vision and then save settings and run. You start running. Once it has completed running, you save the scenario. Just give it scenario 1. Sometimes you don't need to save it, just goes back to default. I'm closing it. Now I want to check the results. Now these are information: watershed area, number of HRUs, and the subbasins. This is the hydrology of catchment, precipitation, evapotranspiration, the sediment yield, and so many. After that, we exit SWAT editor. After that, now it has been run. Now we visualize. This is now our SWAT model after running everything. Now let me just show one thing. The channel, I'll use the animated plot and showing the flow out from the year of selection 1999 to the end 2024. This is the water flow. So in here you can just see you can also prepare static maps or plots or post processing. Thank you.